General view, one bloody massive chemtrail. There's one over in the distance over that way, and there's a snot rocket coming over this minute actually. If I can just pull up a few and see what I can do. Let's have a look. Where are we, little shithouse? There we are. Have to get a flying shot, trying to steal the show, haven't we? I'm not using viewfinder. Damn. That's gone off. Curving round. That is a deliberate spray. I have got to find out who the hell that is and expose them for what they are. I think twat is the word I'm looking for, but I can't even say it, can you nowadays? There we go anyway. Sky view, Darlow at the moment. One snot rocket going over, one massive trail behind there, and a trail only slightly visible over that direction now. Anyway, let's go and find out if this... Oh, there's the other one up there, sorry, it's not behind the clouds. It's over there next to this one that's just gone over. Right, let's go and be nosy. And here we have the snot rocket that's just on the curve out back. I might have guessed killing machine. KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, Papa Hotel Bravo Golf Mike, Boeing 737. It's going from Glasgow to Amsterdam. Flight details, Kilo Mike, can I get it right? Kilo Lima Mike, Kilo Lima Mike 60 Hotel on 484 Foxtrot 06. Snot rocket. 100% snot rocket.